Welcome to this new topic, that is ADCOM module, narratives and reflectives. The basic learning objectives for this PowerPoint presentation is at the end of this session, participants should able to write narrative in their subject area and discuss reflections concerned with implementation of ADCOM. The narrative is a story, concept, idea that you write or tell to someone, usually in a great detail, while the reflect means simply bounce back. When we say this ADCOM, before we should know why Medical Council of India, that means MCI, is going to introduce ADCOM as a special area in our medical curriculum. There are number of reasons or responsible factors for that question. First, our current education pattern is primarily knowledge based. There is observed a lack of attitude focused education. It is unsuitable to be with newer technology based world and need to be updates with awareness of legal issues as well as ethical issues as a part of modern practices. When we say the pattern of Bloom taxonomy composed of knowledge, skill and attitude. Suppose our system is only knowledge based. This is a typical approach that we found only knowledge based approach. If we only skill, this is the skill based approach. Only skill based approach. Only attitude, this is typical only attitude based approach. But we require as a combined knowledge, skill and attitude based approach for our practical and clinical implications. Now the next question is where we are to achieve these goals. When we observe the undergraduate medical education program is currently being modulated and designed with a goal to create a medical graduate possessing requisite knowledge, skill, attitudes, values and responsibilities so that he may function appropriately and effectively as a doctor of first contact of the community while being globally relevant. There are many new key areas recommended in ADCOM module that are identified for implementation across the entire duration of the course. In extent of order, the medical graduate is not just physician, but he is also leader of the society, communicator, as well as counselor, lifelong learner, and professional who is committed for best, ethical, responsive, and accountable to our society. The physician is not only person concerned with curative approach, but also accountable for preventive care, holistic care, promotive, and palliative care of the community. The Medical Council of India has provided us guidelines regarding applications and conduct in clinical practice. These detailed guidelines are available at official website of Medical Council of India, that means MCI. These guidelines included the professional conduct and ethical approaches of the doctor. When we say that good communication skills has a vital role in improving the doctor-patient relationship and leads to improved patient compliance, satisfaction with care and benefits to physical and mental health of patients. How to improve the effective communication and positive attitude? Mainly using two basic system, that means competency based learning, that is CBL, and second experience in clinical practice. When we see and study this ADCOM module as a overall, the issues that covering in ADCOM based teaching are mainly listening of the patients, non-discrimination of patients, patient care, confidentiality, ensures patient understanding, devotion to service, patient and delicacy, responding to patient's question, never hide anything from patient, patient support by every way, patient respect, maintenance of ethical conduct, beneficence, dignity and honesty of doctor, and avoid undue patient advantage are some major issues that covered under ATCOM module. While we see the ATCOM components, these are basically 8 ATCOM components, that is professionalism, effective communication, positive attitude, doctor-patient relationship, doctor-patient communication, conflict management, handling of bioethical issues, and handling of legal issues. When we define the professionalism, it can be defined as dealing with patient with specific trustworthy attitude, behaviors, and character, which can create patient-physician trust necessary for good physician with best knowledge and skill required for his cure, along with reflecting moral values. In clinical practice, doctors act as professionals, hence it is our responsibility to understand the basics of professional approach during patient encounter in any situation. This sense of professional approach should be developing since undergraduate training in medical curricula. The main objective of doctor should be a service to humanity rather than financial goal like other professions. Hence, we are different from others. When we see the pattern, the first MBBS core area includes mainly foundation course, implementation of early clinical exposure, integrated teaching, introduction to bioethics, teaching communication skills, and community visit. While second MBBS core area mainly includes foundation course, integrated teaching, introduction to medical bioethics, studying basic principles of bioethics, professionalism, and communication skill, basic research awareness. While final MBBS includes integrated teaching, communication skills, bedside teaching, patient interaction, handling of emergency medicine and casualty, community visit, evidence-based medicine, implementing principles of bioethics in actual practice, ethical issues and legal issues. Now, after hearing this brief outline regarding ATCOM, now you just discuss about implementation of ATCOM module in your subject area in your group. Just prepare a plan of action. That means choose the topic, choose your area and target students. Then you place domain area. That means afterwards you just place learning objectives. Then list content and teaching methodology, assessment method and its outcome, and present this reflection one from each group. That means you will get a complete plan of action, basic understanding of ATCOM. Suppose I am from physiology, I just choose here for example measurements of blood pressure. I want to teach this for first MBBS students. My domain area cognitive plus psychomotor plus attitude. Learning objective, at the end of class the student should be able to take blood pressure accurately. Hence I list content and teaching methodology. I will here use first lecture cum demonstration. Lecture will be 40 minutes in which I will discuss definition, normal range, instruments, procedure, precautions and reading to students. Then I will provide a demo of 10 minutes. Then I will provide practice session next for 70 minutes. My assessment method will be one station in OSPE in terminal examination, and my outcome will be the student should be able to take blood pressure accurately. Now in this way you can prepare, plan different smaller modules as per your need, as per your subject area, and just introduce as a trial basis or as a part of your curricula in routine teaching learning aids. This is simply ATCOM module understanding. At the end, I want to just highlight it or share with you one fact. This subject, that means ATCOM, that include bioethics, is introduced just since last 2 to 3 years back. Hence, availability book are very lesser. Now here with this is the first book for medical bioethics with attitude and communication competencies required for medical students from Indian subcontinent which is based on dedicated guidelines of ATCOM and helpful for students for easier introduction to medical bioethics with attitude and communication competencies for doctors. And then I want to conclude this session with a one quote: you are in this profession as a calling, not as a business, as a calling which exacts from you at every turn self sacrifice, devotion, love, and tenderness to your fellow men. Once you get down a purely business level, your influence is gone and true light of your life is dim. Thank you for hearing this presentation.